Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Honor of Kings stuck on loading screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, here's what you want to do. You want to go into your phone's settings, and from within your settings here, we're just going to search for iPhone storage. Search for iPhone storage, and then we will sort this by size here. So you will be able to find Honor Kings. Just click on Honor Kings. And what you want to do is offload the application. Once you have offloaded the application, you will need to reinstall it. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time because it's a huge file, but basically this is going to verify the integrity of the files, and this is going to fix the stuck on loading screen issue. If it still doesn't fix it for you, then what you can try doing is switching over from mobile data to Wi-Fi. And if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, I suggest switching over to mobile data. And that should work. If it still doesn't work, then the last thing that you can do is check the server status. So open up your browser and search for King Server Status. And you can use a platform like Is It Down, and it is basically just going to show you the server status and whether or not that issue is coming from your end or if it's coming from their end. And that's about it. So that's basically how you can fix Honor of Kings stuck on loading screen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.